Hello, hi. Hi Rinku. Hello. Hello. Yeah, hi everyone. Hello. Good afternoon everyone. So, can I start the session? Many people are joining, so let's wait for a few minutes and then I can start with the session. Hello. Hi. Just wait for 2 minutes and then you can start. Yeah, certainly. I'll just wait now. So, we'll start now within 2 minutes. I just take out my few favorite brushes till then and then we can start. Hello, hi everyone. I'm so glad to be here on this page and I always admire Rinku, like whatever she's doing for the society, for the community, and I really admire and feeling so blessed to be on this page with her today. Thank you Rinku. Okay, can we start? I hope everyone can see clearly. The lighting is proper so that you will be able to see the what makeup I'll be showing. It will be clear. Hello. Hello. Yes. So can we start Rinku now? Yeah. So let me start now. I think we have got good people around here. Yeah. So let me introduce myself. I'm Sunita Padvekar. I'm beauty and hair expert. I'm into this profession from past 20 years now. I'm very well connected with the beauty and fashion together at the same time. I'm a lecturer at Rachana Sansad School of Fashion and Textile. There I teach personality development and career skills development. We are into beauty industry. We train models. We audition and we groom models for the ramp shows and all that. And I had taken part in Mrs. India Mumbai 2018 and I came second runner up. I had also participated in Mrs. Zadar and I got rewarded for best skin and hair. I don't know, my hair is just curly, but everyone loves this hair. And that's the reason, like people, like everyone is mad after my curls. I don't know, but they are bit short. I wish I could have hair like Rinku. She had lovely long hair, long and curly hair. So you oh, oh, thank you very much. So, uh, today I have been invited here to show you some makeup and give you some beauty tips, makeup tips. You can ask me questions, whatever queries you have, because the other post, I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, I was reading one post there, like ladies were asking too many questions about makeup brands and what they should use, and many more. So I would like to throw some light on what you should wear and all that. So let's start. So today's topic is about summer look. Now we do all the time makeup, and I think everyone here is fascinated by the makeup, and every girl love makeup. And doing makeup is nowadays, like it's a must and a necessity of a, like situation, the kind of area you are working. So everywhere makeup is much needed, and you cannot go without makeup, because makeup adds instantly a a self esteem and self confidence in your personality. That's what I believe. I literally, like breathe makeup every time. If you say me be in 24 hours in makeup, I can be in that. So for me, makeup is my life, and all the time, like I've been training so many people. I have trained almost uh, 2000 to 3000 plus students in my profession. And like since then I'm into this profession, and I'm guiding people and training people about beauty, fashion, and everything. So makeup is something very much, like attached to me, I can say. And we can start with the session, and I'll start with the topic. So today's topic is summer look. Now when you say summer look, in summer we always have to see, like the weather conditions are not always right. You feel sweaty, you feel hot, like you get that flushes. So every time whenever you put on the makeup, you think, oh my god, will this go away, like after some time, or what should be the appropriate products we should use, or what should you use. So what should you use for like makeup to stay for a longer time. So for me, in summer, if you use less makeup, it's always better, because wherever you go, if you are sitting in AC 24 by 7, that's fine, you can put loads of makeup. But if you are going out, and if you have, like more work to do outside, and then yes, yeah, I have already started, yes. And if you have work, like if you are in a marketing job, like you have to roam around, if your work involves, like roaming around, then loads of makeup will certainly not for you in summer, especially because then you will have to take more care of your skin all the time. Okay, so first and the most important part, whenever you do makeup, you have to make sure that you will use proper skincare, because unless you follow skincare, your makeup is not going to last for no matter what you put. So first of all, you should use right skincare, and skincare also should be according to your skin, because if you don't use according to skin, it is not going to help you at all. So whatever your skin type may be, if you have a normal skin, if you have a dry skin, if you have a oily skin, so whatever skin type you have, you should always use, yeah, I have pigmentation. Okay. Just let me go through the session, and then we can connect with your queries. If you have dry skin, if you have a normal skin, if you have a oily skin, if you have a combination skin, so there are many types of skin types, and unless you deal with your skin type, and if you don't use right products according to your skin, your makeup is not going to give you 100% on your skin, because the right product will always give you justice on your skin. So make sure you have to use right products, right from cleansers to toners to moisturizers to face pack, and everything has to be right for you. Okay, so now for you the cleansing is must. So after that one should use a toner. Now see, toner you can use any brand. If you have a dry skin, if you have a normal skin, the rose water toner can be a best toner for you. If you have a oily skin, if you have a acne skin, you can use a spray, it's always mentioned for oily skin. If you can see all, you can always use products meant for that specific skin type. So for oily skin and acne skin, you will need some toners which has got alcohol base, so that that oil alcohol will get evaporate and your skin will breathe freshly. So whatever you apply, so you first apply toner on your face. So this will be in a spray form. This is in a spray form right now. If you have a toner, then you can just take it on a cotton, okay, cotton band, and then just tap on your face. If you have a spray, just spray. So this is your first step. So you will apply toner first, let it dry naturally. Okay, so don't spray too much, then you will have to wait again to get it dry, but I just showed you now. Yeah, hi, my daughter has okay, tanning in. Okay, I am okay. All right. So once the toner gets set in, you will have to apply moisturizer. Now again, the moisturizer you will apply, that will be according to your skin type, and not one I can say crocin tablet which fits for all, because every skin demands is different, every skin is different. So you need different products for design to different skin types. One what I can say, one exercise routine or one diet plan cannot work for all, right? Because everyone's body is different. You need different regime for yourself. The same with your skin. So now my favorite moisturizer which I use, and this can be used by anyone. This is actually a moisturizer suitable to many skin, for sensitive skin also. And this moisturizer is mainly water based moisturizer. Now if you apply water based moisturizer, it will provide extra nutrition, extra hydration to your skin. Okay, so this is the one, you can see this clearly. This is the one. Yeah, so this is the one you can use. This is a water based moisturizer again, and this is excellent moisturizer I have been using past 3 years now, and I'm just loving this. So even you can try this, even sensitive skin, if you have, even you can work with this. So most of the time if you want to offer moisturizer, you can offer water based moisturizer. And if someone has dry skin, very flaky skin, very dehydrated skin, then you should use moisturizer which has a base of cream or oily. Now you will get in medical store the name Venusia. You can just go and check there. So Venusia cream is mainly for dehydrated skin. If you have a dry skin, you can apply that. Okay, so after the moisturizer, so I have already applied moisturizer and sunblock on my skin. Now when you say summer look, you are bound to go out for some of the work, right? So you need to have utmost care of sun protection on your face. So sunblock or sunscreen, whatever you say, is must, because if you don't apply that and you will just go out, that is going to harm, your skin from the harsh sun rays, and that is going to damage your skin. And we all know this UV sun rays, that ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, ultraviolet C, all these sun rays are very harmful for our skin, because ultraviolet A causes tanning, then this ultraviolet B causes aging, pigmentation, and the C causes cancer. So we should know, to you should not get affected with the sun rays. So after moisturizer, you have to apply sunblock on your skin. So I have already applied moisturizer and sunblock on my skin. Now even if you are sitting at home, like some people says, ki why should we apply moisturizer, why should we apply sunblock on my skin? Now I'm just sitting at home and I'm not going anywhere. So even if you are sitting at home, the UV rays, they reflect through glasses and they affect our skin. We exposed to so many lights in a day, tube light, computer lights, or the mobile, the screen, you are exposed to. So you should have some protection on your skin. So you should use a sunblock. After that, you need to use, now in summer look, you will need to have the primer, which will help your foundation to hold for a longer time, because in summer you feel very sweaty, in a short time. So you will need a good, yes, age of my daughter, okay. So you will need a primer which will hold your foundation very well for a longer time, and so that your foundation will remain on your skin, okay. So my camera is clear to all. Now I'll be starting with the makeup, okay. So main thing, whatever you will apply, you have to make sure you are just making sure that sits on your skin perfectly, because you just cannot apply moisturizer and you will just take your sunblock and then you will apply, and then you don't have to run. You have to apply patiently, let it absorb in the skin, and then you can start your makeup, okay. So now the lace is more in summer, because of the weather conditions. But if you want to apply, you can certainly apply some matte products, and I'm going to demonstrate now. You have to apply. See, now I have foundations. You can opt for liquid foundation. Now see, this is Maybelline Fit Me, you can say this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, okay. So this is a water base, this is a liquid base. So I'm just going to apply this. I have already done the 3 steps, to save the time. So I have already prepped my skin. Now I'm just going to apply liquid foundation. If at all I want to apply liquid foundation, I'm going to apply liquid foundation. I have just taken it on my hand now. Make sure, if you are going to apply makeup in summer season, don't layer your face, okay, with heavy makeup. Just use very light. You can see now I have just taken very light, and then I'm going to apply on my face. My face is clear to all. You can see clearly. You can see clearly, okay. So I'm just, my lips are very dark, please suggest, okay, certainly. So I'll just go through one by one with your questions, but I'm certainly going to answer all. See, you can see clearly. Please tell me, if you are able to see. So see, I have just taken foundation little bit, and I'm just applying. You can apply with hands as well. It's not necessary to apply with, you know, brush or sponge or anything, any medium you are comfortable with. What is your foundation shade number? Okay, I'll just tell you. Sama, yeah, the shade number is 230. Shade number is 230. I'm just applying this. एक ले लो natural. हाँ, shade number is 230 natural buff. So this is more like, you know, shade for medium fair skin tone. Now I don't want to go very light on my skin. That's the reason I'm just going with the shade. Yeah, I'm just going with the shade which is, you can see you can see clearly, right? So make sure that whatever foundation you have applied, you know, see, there is very less foundation, but I'm just applying on neck as well. And this is a matte foundation. This is a matte foundation, okay, matte poreless by Maybelline Fit Me. Now this Maybelline has very good range of, you know, foundations which are very suitable for Indian skin tone, and you know, the weather conditions we have, they really work well, and they absolutely, like, you know, helps you to stay matte for a longer time. And in summer, you will never like to, like, you know, go heavy. So see, I have applied all over my face. You can ask questions if you have any. I'll be happy to answer your all the queries. I'm here with you all to share my knowledge, so please do ask. So see, now the same brush, I have not taken any products in this brush, but whatever brush, like, you know, I'm just moving on my face. I'm just, like, you know, my covering my upper lid as well, so that, you know, the darkness over the above our area, the lid area, will get balanced. Because you cannot apply foundation here and you cannot keep your under eye area dark, okay? So see, so I have applied a foundation all over, but very lightly, and covering everywhere. I'll just cover one the my cotton. I'll see how my skin is looking. Can you see now? It's better more or no? I don't know, but whatever I apply makeup on my skin, it start breaking. Okay, I'll tell you why it breaks. Okay, when your makeup breaks, first of all, I told you that whatever makeup you will put on your face, always make sure it, please give some time to absorb in your skin. One sec, I'll just adjust this. The lighting is proper. I look very artificial when I put makeup. Now that's the main key point. Like, you know, why to learn self grooming. My stand is moving. Wait. One second, I'll just adjust my camera because it's moving. Sama, just check now from there. They move. There's a forward होता है. I'll just see once. Is it clear now? Yeah. Okay. Now, when you look artificial, please tell me if lighting is proper for you to see the skin properly. Yes, thank you. So see, when your face look artificial, when you apply wrong products on your skin, wrong foundation color, okay, if your tone is not matched with your skin color, then your face will look artificial. Now the idea of makeup is to enhance your natural beauty, whatever features you have, to enhance your natural beauty, and at the same time you should look natural. Your face should not look like, like a mask. Okay, so that's the reason it's very important to choose your foundation shades very closer to your skin tone. Now how to choose your foundation, that's very important part. Okay, so you can see I have just lightly. Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, thank you. So I can see this in the mirror also. So yeah, so make sure whenever you will apply foundation, see now, now we are professional artists, so we are quite used to, like, handling brushes all the time. We cannot work without brush. But if you want to apply foundation, you can apply with sponge also, and you can use your fingertips also. You just apply and then just blend like this. Okay, with your fingers, in fact it will melt more because of the heat, natural heat. Okay, so see, so the mouth corners, the lip corners, okay, the eyes corners, so everywhere you can reach with brush also, with sponge also, with fingers also. Make sure your hands are clean before you apply any sorts of makeup. Okay, so I have applied the foundation layer. So minimum is more, uh, more blend, less product, and blend more. So that is the key point for makeup to look more natural. Now someone asked me, my makeup looks very artificial. So there are 2-3 causes why your makeup will look too artificial. Is, first of all, your wrong selection of your foundation. If you are not choose, like, a right foundation color, and if you apply, you are going to look artificial any which ways, right? Then if your shade is one or two color lighter than your skin tone, and which is not matching, again you are going to look artificial. Then third thing, whatever product you have applied on your face, and if you are not blended well. Okay, now some just like, people, earlier people, they हैबिट, लाइक, वो पाउडर का डब्बा लेते थे ऐसे हाथ पे, एंड देन ऐसे करके पूरे फेस के ऊपर लगा देते, राइट? ये, लाइक, पूरा हम लोग पहले करते थे ऐसे, कि पाउडर लिया और ऐसे ही फेस के ऊपर लगा लिया। फिर बाद में हम लोग, अब हम लोग बहुत टाइम वो ऐसे, लाइक, वो स्प्रेड करते थे, लाइक, कि वो ज़्यादा कहीं दिखे नहीं, और ऐसे। दिस इज़ द सेम वे, वट एवर फाउंडेशन यू विल अप्लाई, इट शुड tone. Now you can see what foundation I have applied is not looking more than my skin tone. You can see this, and whenever you have to see if whatever foundation you have selected is right or wrong for your know how to match the foundation color. Okay, so this is the foundation. If you are taken, so just take this फाउंडेशन कलर है, इसमें से सपोज मैंने 2-3 बॉटल लिया फाउंडेशन कलर, एंड देन 2-3 फाउंडेशन शेड्स, एंड देन व्हाट यू डू, अप्लाई हियर। ओके, ऑनलाइन ये करने के बाद में जस्ट सी विच एग्जैक्टली जेल विथ योर स्किन. If this shade is perfectly matching with your skin tone, yes, this is right. How about primer shade? Has to be same as foundation. Primer, okay, primer has no tone actually. Primer is always transparent or, like, colorless. You must be asking about concealer, I feel. So you can see, so whatever, whichever color will blend with your this skin and this skin, which will be perfect for you. But if this whatever foundation you have applied here, and if it is looking too brighter or two shades lighter, I can say one shade lighter is still okay, you can still work with that. You just have to apply a very minimal quantity. If you have a one shade lighter, you can go with minimal but blend more. That's the main idea. So the color is going to match with your skin here and here. That is the right shade for you. But if it is looking lighter, then you should not buy that foundation. Okay, so I have just applied the foundation, and you can see, and just even the foundation you need to blend well, so that you know it, your skin will absorb the foundation, and then it will start looking natural. If you will just leave it like that, it is not going to look natural. What you're saying? Okay, so this is my first step. So this is a foundation I have applied now, which is matte foundation. Now in summer season or summer look or whatever, आपको अगर ऐसा look चाहिए जो matte हो, but at the same time your face look should nice, then what you will do, instead of applying too many concealer, yes, yes, yeah. So instead of applying too many products, what you can do, you can just take a little bit concealer, which is, concealers are always like you know matte. So uh, if you choose concealer which is matte and very like you know very close to your skin, just apply on your full face, and that's it. You don't have to apply foundation or like you know more products, like you know, to make your skin flawless. So that can be your minimal makeup, and you can go with that. Okay, so this is my foundation, and I have applied liquid foundation. I have not applied cream foundation. Cream foundation will like you know start melting. So now if you want to apply eyeshadow, now with the eyeshadow you can, yeah. So these are the concealers. See, these are the concealer. This is Elegal concealer. You can see these are the concealers. You can see okay. So this concealer, this is a liquid concealer. Even this is like you know eraser. You just have to like you know, it has got sponge, so you just have to press, and this will get like you know blended with your skin like this. Okay, so this, so even this is Maybelline, and this is Elegal. So there are many liquid concealers and mattifying concealers which you can apply you know in one step, and that's it. And you don't have to apply too much of foundation, and you don't have to like you know cake up your face for a daytime or like you know a very nice natural look. So you can see now my face, I have applied one step, and I don't think so now I'll apply more, because this is looking very natural, and I have got coverage also. Okay, any multivitamin tablets. Okay, so there is, okay, so whatever product you will apply, you need to layer it with powder. You will layer it with setting powder. So I'll just take my brush. If you want to keep your face matte for all the time, so here is what you have to do. You have to take powder puff, and whatever loose powder, if you have any powder, just you know tap, and just make sure you will apply the powder all over your face in a, okay, pat on your face, pat lightly. Whatever products you will apply on your face, you have to make sure that you will, and like you know no hurry. So this way you will matte, skin will look fresh and natural and more nice for a longer time. If you don't set, your face will start melting. Once the weather will change, if you will move out of the house, AC, it will start melting. Okay, so pat. Okay, so this is the makeup long lasting and in place. So here I have applied. My face is visible to you clearly. Okay, this now when you see eyeshadow and all that, you don't have to apply anything creamy formulas. You can apply very matte formulas at the colors. Summer look, when you say a very bronze sun kissed skin, then a glowy skin, but at the same time not too much of creamy products on your skin. Okay, so I'll just use now eyeshadow. I'm just wearing this colors, so I'll just do something like I'll play around with some colors so you can come to know. Eyeshadow to long lasting, you should apply eye primer. You will apply so now I'm just applying color. We have so many brushes, so all the time we just keep searching which brush I use for which color. So yes. So and this is matte. I'm not going to use any. I'm not using shimmer. Okay, so this is matte color. I'm just going to apply some bright color so that you will come to know. So I'm just taking this fresh green color. You can see this color. Now if you are want to keep your eyeshadow for a longer time, long lasting, you will apply eyeshadow primer first and then you will layer. Okay, so this is a one single color I am applying and I am just going to blend this. You can see this. I have just applied this color and I'm just going to blend this. You can see this. I'm just blending this color. Okay, now I applied this color and I'm going to blend this. Okay, so this is the color blending I'm doing to make it more softer, but at the same time the color is looking very playful. You can see this. You can see this. The same shade has changed now. I'm just blending with the brush. You can see this. And I'm just applying matte color. I'm not applying shiny colors, but the color is looking very nice and intense. You can see this. Okay, so I have just blended this color. You can see this. Can you see this color? You can see this color, right? So this is a matte color, and if you want to make it long lasting, you can apply any eyeshadow primer below this, and then you can apply, you can play around with any color. Now I just selected this color just to, like, give some pop out to my eyes. I could have used any other, like, natural nude color. See, there are so many shades. You can use pinks, you can use browns, you can use peaches, you can use blue, you can use anything, whichever shade you are comfortable in. The main important criteria is you should be able to carry anything whatever you do. So I just I just wanted to go with some green. So this is a, more kind. So you can see this color, right? Color is very clear. Okay, so this is the shade I have applied. Now I can apply. विहा जरा थोड़ा हे कमी करा. Okay, so you can see this. Now if I want to apply, more vibrant colors to my eyes, I can play around with that. Now I'll be just applying a bit kajal. And if you want to apply anything in summers, you have to apply everything matte. You don't have to use creamy products. You can use any matte kajal. You can see this. You can see this, the kajal I have applied. Now if you want to apply liner, you don't have to apply anything creamy. Okay, you have to apply matte. So this is, I'm applying this Maybelline ka liner. You can see liner I'm applying. Now depending on your mood and look, you can apply liner, if you want to. So you can see this liner, Maybelline. Now I'm going to apply mascara. So again you need to apply mascara waterproof. If you want to use it for special occasion, and if you want to apply it for some humid climate, you will apply water proof mascara. But otherwise, because if you apply daily waterproof mascara, what will happen, you know, that will make your lashes brittle, because that becomes very hard on your lashes. And when you just take it off, like, you know, your lashes are very thick and they become very hard. So you have to make sure, unless it is not required, you can use other mascara as well. So I'm just applying mascara. So mascara, whenever you will apply mascara, make sure you will coat each and every hair, so that, you know, your eyes will look open up. You can see this. You can see this. Now whatever makeup I have shown you, now if you want to do it very minimum, what you can do, you can just in moisturizer put some 2-3 drops of your foundation, and then just apply all over. Even you will get, like, you know, a tinted moisturizer, I can say. You can see these eyes now. Okay, पानी आणून दे ना, पाणी दे. So while applying mascara, you have to make sure you will just reapply once, so that, you know, your lashes will look nice and open up. You can see this. I hope the lighting is clear. Oh. Okay, so now I have applied I don't know, like, you know, if you can see my makeup properly, right? I'll just make it up. Yeah. So now I'm just sitting against the light, and I'm just trying to, like, you know, see if my face is very clear to all. So this one step I have done. You can see my eyes now. Now if you want to shape your brows, and if you don't want to get messed up with that, what you will do, you have to use pencil. Okay, you will use pencil. I'll just show you where it is. You can use any brown pencil. You can use any brown pencil. You can use any brown pencil, and, you know, just feel and comb. Okay, just very lightly, not too much. You will just apply, because pencil will hold your like, you know, brows in place, and it will last longer. So this way I can apply. You can see this. Ma'am, please tell some. Okay, see, now for my brows, I don't have to brow them like, you know, regularly. Earlier I used to, like, you know, feel my brows, because, like, you know, they were not too light, but I still used to, like, you know, fuller brows. So I have done micro needling, like, you know, micro blading and needling on my brows, so that, like, you know, they can stay in place. I have got one shape, and I just have to remove some extra hair. And now my hair, now see, in lockdown also my hair is not done, but still, you know, they are not looking messy, because it has a definite shape. Okay, definite shape and definite color. So you can see this. You can see this. Okay, now next is about if you want to apply some blush color, you have to make sure, you know, you just don't have to apply some powder. Rather, you can apply some bit creamy blush on, to add, like, you know, just warm to your skin, and then, you know, it will look very natural. Okay, So we can use now, if you want to have some natural effect on your cheeks, what you can do, you can take some Vaseline. I'll just show you. So this is the Vaseline color. If you want a bit natural shine, see, this is the Vaseline. Just apply on your cheekbone. Okay, apply on the cheekbone, and then I'm just taking color now from the palette. Okay, and just apply this. You can see this. So you will have that, that natural glow. You can see this. You will have that natural glow on your face, and your cheeks will be shining, but not that extra shine which is not needed. Ma'am, please tell some suggestion for dry chemically treated hair also. Okay, I'm going to answer. I'm going to answer each and everyone's query once I get over with this. So you have seen this now. You can see this shine on my face. Okay, see, tap lightly. Okay, so you will see that, natural glowing skin. Matlab, I am not just applied dry blush on my face. I just applied, little Vaseline, and then I applied so that, I can have that natural glow. So you can see like, my face is glowing now. Just same, move that brush everywhere. My brush has like, very light peachy tone blush on, so that I can, use all over my face, so that my face will look warm and sun kissed. You can see this. Okay, now is this clear till now? I hope you have learned something from me. You can see this. So now when it comes to lips, for summer look, if you want to have, you can apply some, like, lip tint, which can, give a natural sheer finish to your lips, and at the same time you are not overloaded with the, like, that matte thick lipsticks. So what you can do, you just have to apply lip balm. Now just someone asked me about the dry lips, dry and black lips. Now see, there are many lipsticks. I'll show you their forms, so that you will understand what. See, I have many lipsticks now here in my hand. Okay, so they are from different brands. They are from different brands. Okay, so this one lipstick, if I apply and if it goes totally matte, that will make your lips very flat. Okay, so if you don't want that, what you should do, you take any lipstick, you apply lip balm first on your lips. Just prep your lip before you start your foundation or rest of the thing. Prep your lips as well. Just apply lip balm or Vaseline or whatever lip moisturizer you have with you. Apply that and keep it on your face for some time, and then wait. Once the makeup gets over, what you do, yeah, thank you. So what you do, you have to take any shade now. Okay, and just apply. Now this is the peach shade I am applying, but this is again little bit matte. So I had applied a very light coat of, like, I have one lip balm. Okay, so that has got some color tint in that. So I'm just applying this peach color, so you can see. So summer look is all about all vibrant shades, be it in your clothes or be it in your makeup. You can see this now. Now this is going to be matte actually. So this is a peach shade. Now if I want to change this peach shade, and if I don't like, and if I feel like I should change something to different, then what I can do, you can take any, bronzer shades, okay, and just, if it is looking very matte and flat, you can see the pop out. Okay, so your lips will instantly look alive. They will not look flat. Only in the middle. So you can see I have not applied any shine on my face, but still my face is looking much more like so you can see the lip color. So lip, I have just added here some bronzer. Okay, it has a little shine. So in the center here, okay, not on whole lip area, and I'm just keeping it nude only. I have not put much brighter color, because the idea is to add pop out colors, but very minimal and subtle. At the same time, it should look playful and look, you can see. Okay, blush, you can certainly go over with a second touch, just to add warmth. Yeah, so you can see face is looking very warm and nice and bronzed. Okay, so even lips, you can play around with so many colors, and my favorite colors are more of peachy tones and pinks and all that. I'm not more into browns and rust shades. They actually doesn't suit my face, but I like more vibrant colors and more nice colors. So this is the look. And now here I have just a pink shade here below. I'll just play around here. You can see the hue of pink here down. You can see this. Here. Thank you for this. Yeah. Yeah. So here pop out of pink shade I have applied, so that your eyes will look more playful and alive, and they will look more naughty. You can say this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you are like this session, and I have done justice to your session today. So in summer look, or summer, if you want to do highlighting and contouring, so I will say no for that, because if you want to that, you will have to play with more more colors, and it might get, if you say sweat out, your face is might going to look patchy. But one trick I can tell you, suggest you, if you want to contour your face, and if you don't want to face to look big, what you can do, you can always use a bit one shade darker foundation than your skin. If ladies have a big face, big rounded face, and if they want to contour, like if they want to contour and they want to make their face look smaller. So here is one trick. You can go one shade not lighter but one shade darker than your skin tone, so that automatically your skin will look like your face will look smaller, and your skin will not pop out more, if though it is round in shape, or if you have a fatty face. What people do generally, everyone wants to look fair, so you all know, like गोरा होने का बुखार सबको रहता है, एंड एवरीवन वांट्स टू लुक गुड, एंड एवरीवन वांट्स टू लुक फेयर. अभी अगर मैं ज़्यादा गोरी हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं और कितनी मतलब गोरी हो सकती हूँ बाय अप्लाइंग मेकअप. But idea of makeup is to make your natural features more beautiful, enhance your features more, rather than just making you look fair. So looking good is okay, but looking fair is not okay for all the time. You have to make sure that you should understand your skin, you should match your skin tone all the time. You should like able to deliver whatever makeup you are carrying. You should be able to carry with confidence, because if you are applying makeup and if you are not confident at all, that is not going to make any sense for you, right? And for the others as well, because they are going to make fun of you if you are not comfortable. So you have to make sure you will be comfortable. See, now if I am wearing brighter shades and all that, I am pretty comfortable, because I keep doing like many makeups. I keep exploring with my own face. I keep creating own looks on my face, like considering it is my canvas. You can just go on my Facebook page and Insta, like I have done so many looks on my face. So recently I had done aquarium on my face, I had painted full face, I had done peacock on my face, I have done many looks, I have done Barbie look, everything. So we play around with colors, we play around with foundations, we play around with eyeshadow, we play around with every time, all the time. But at the same time, you might not be comfortable playing around with so many colors. You maybe just want some tips to look good, or what you can do with some minimal products. So I have shown you what you can do with a minimal product, but not with like so many products, because everyone is not comfortable in makeup all the time, and many people are comfortable without makeup rather than putting on makeup. So it's up to us, like with what less makeup we can do. So I'll just suggest you just invest in good eye pencil, like if you don't like too much of eye colored eyeshadows and all that, just invest in 2-3 colorful pencil, so that whenever you feel like that you should do something different, you can just apply those pencils, and you will be like find new in yourself. I'll just show you if I have here. So idea is to make yourself pep up and alive all the time. See, now this pencil I have, you can see this. Okay, so this is the color pencil, this has a color, you can see this. Okay, this is a different color, this is a somewhat turquoise blue color, I can say. So if I want to change my, supposing if I'm getting bored with what I'm looking and I want to make some changes to my face instantly, so just invest in few pencils like this, and you just apply above your lash line, like above your kajal line, or below your line, your eyes will look different. So idea is to about like having right products in your vanity, than having too many products but which you don't know what you have to do with that. So main thing to learn about the products and what is right for your skin and their application, and going to reflect on my skin, and how it is going to make me comfortable with that. So this is what more important, that's what I feel. And makeup is something like that instantly lifts up your mood, that changes your personality, and that adds charms. And I can breathe makeup, I can eat makeup, I can sleep makeup, I can do anything with makeup. So makeup is something like I'm very passionate about. And if you have any queries, please do let me know, and I'll answer here or whenever you feel like. And whatever problems you face while doing makeup, because makeup is not everyone's cup of tea. And like everyone, many people like makeup, but they don't know how to get it right. So there are two different ways to be towards makeup. So I'm here to guide you all. So do come back to me, and I hope you have enjoyed my session. Madam, please some suggestion. Yes, I'm just going to write all the answers once I get over with this. And Rinku, if you have any questions or anything, you can ask me. I will answer those. And please feel free to get connected with me if you have any queries, okay, related to beauty and anything. So I'll happy to guide you, okay. And it's my pleasure, like was having here on this page to be live with you all, and sharing my some knowledge with you all. And I hope I have given you something. Yeah, and I have given you something which is useful for you. And thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, thank you, Rinku. See you soon.